When I first used it, I was amazed at the amount of torque and power that it provides. We cut some MC cable, heat ducts, steel studs. It is amazing with the power what this thing can do.
It's great for cutting metal. It cuts just as fast as a gas saw.
The fuel 9-inch saw is amazing. Very light, very convenient.
The weight difference, there's no comparison. It's less fatigue on you.
With the M18 switch tank, I can show up with a water tank. I don't have to have a constant 300 feet of hose to run to a water supply. The overload indicator just says that you're working a saw too hard, let the saw do the work.
Having that gauge, you're not wasting battery life, you're not wasting blade life.
Having the battery-powered saw, we were able to bring it into this hospital right here, and we were done within a matter of 30 minutes. It would took me a half an hour just to set up my gas saw.
The 12 amp hour battery, it's just amazing how long you can run it for. We have no gas, no fumes. The instant start and the stop is excellent.
Productivity, saving the time and labor is unparalleled. It did absolutely everything I needed.